Hey friends, today we're going to take a look at the 3 new shades from 7Cs. These are from their spring collection, but they would also work well as summer transition colors. If you are new to 7C's polish, let me give you a quick introduction. 7C's is a coastal and beach-themed indie brand that is committed to minimizing the amount of harmful chemicals and creating clean nail polish. Their formula is 21-free, vegan and cruelty-free, and every collection is produced in small batches and bottled on the East Coast. And each bottle of polish contains this deluxe wide paddle brush that we all know and love. Now on to the swatches. This first shade is a gorgeous peachy pink cream called Guava Smoothie. I will be showcasing each of these colors with 2 coats each. The second shade is a white, but not quite. This one is Sea Salt. Now this shade has me totally falling in love. I do not have anything close to this in my collection at all. I have a lot of white but not quite shades, and they're either blue or green, but this one is the perfect blend. It's like a white but not quite sea foam. And the last shade is this gorgeous blue cream. It's a light electric blue named Poolside. Give me a 7C's blue any day of the week. Please take a look at how flawlessly this is applying. If there is only one color that you grab from 7C's, please let it be one of their blues. My personal favorite is Deep Sea, but they also have Surf's Up and now Poolside. Here's all 3 side by side. Please let me know what you think in the comments below, and let me know if you'd like to see my other 7C's polishes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on the next video.